Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining our session on living NFTs. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about what it really means to create engaging content. And I believe we only have about 10 minutes, so we'll kind of go quickly through what it means to have properly engaging content, proper tokenized economies, and how you can bring all of this together to build a living experience. So I'll jump right into it. My name is Marc. I'm the CEO of a company called Sortium. And let's just start by asking a couple questions. What if we could control a living story rather than just watch it? And what if metaverses felt real and dynamic rather than just flat or elementary? And what if games didn't follow static scripts, but evolved with us and from us? That's the core of what we're trying to address with living NFTs at Sortium through our flagship launch title called CryptoGene. So Sortium is the culmination of entertainment, gaming, AI, and the blockchain industry's most innovative talent. The co-founders are myself as CEO, Evan Portillo as COO, and Alex Roscoe as our CTO. Collectively, we have experience working in AAA studios and with some of the largest brands on the planet, and we wanted to bring all of this together into one organization. We have a total of about 70 developers working on our various projects today, and a strong team focusing on CryptoGene and bringing life to NFTs. A little bit about us, very community focused. We have a very diverse staff, and we believe in innovating with integrity through transparency, honesty, and accountability. Something I think that's a little uncommon compared to some other NFT groups and development groups is we're all doxed. Everybody knows who we are. We don't hide that. We're developing a platform, and CryptoGene is the first iteration in that platform, where we'll be opening it up for other future innovators to take the stage and build on what we've put together. So we're evolving metaverses through experiences that change how we interact with our content. And why? Because it's cool, but also to bring emergent value, dynamic engagement, and adaptable utility to NFTs and metaverse projects. So what does that mean, and what is a living NFT? That's where we introduced Kymera, the first living NFTs. Kymera made using CRISPR DNA algorithms. Our technology stack allows for on-chain simulation as well as on-chain artificial intelligence. So and I feel we caught this in an earlier iteration, but it says CRISP DNA, not CRISPR DNA, but it is CRISPR DNA algorithms. And all of our Kymera that you will interact with have simulated DNA that lives on-chain. You'll then run your own genetic engineering processes against them to create dynamic and evolving creatures that are all procedural in 3D and interactive within a web browser. They'll all have on-chain AI utilizing a multi-agent human-in-the-loop system. So all Kymera are a singular agent within a learning system. Your interactions with them is the human-in-the-loop interaction component. And as you engage with your Kymera, they'll learn, evolve, and change based on your interactions. And that's the procedural design magic that goes behind. A little bit of design work mixed in with our genetic system and AI is how we want to start the first iteration of living NFTs. The technology behind these living NFTs is a platform we call DoubleHELIX. This is what we refer to as the mind and body of Web3 experiences, and what CryptoGene is being built on today. So the advancements of DoubleHELIX will allow any number of individuals, whether you're a developer, an enthusiast, to come in and start building out deep tokenized Web3 experiences. And the point of living NFTs is that you should be able to build out your game ecosystems as well as your game assets with deep underlying tokenomics. For example, CryptoGene will utilize tokenomics in everything from the land to the resources you generate to the electricity that operates the lab in which you'll create the first Kymera. And with this, we believe that we can start to solve the play to earn experience and provide real ecosystems that don't rely on starter yields or other gimmicks in order to try and fuel value into these ecosystems. So through leveraging traditional game monetization mechanics, providing that into the ecosystem and molding those in a way that focuses on the play to earn experience and other players being able to come in and fill in these gaps and roles, we'll be able to create these ecosystems where users can generate the content, they can sell the content, or we can leverage other traditional methods where we have protocol-owned economies, not just protocol-owned liquidity or protocol-owned assets. So I believe we would like to play a video for you all. It's a preview of CryptoGene. Hopefully it doesn't lag. If it does, I'm going to post the YouTube link in here as well for everybody to go take a look at. And that
My job is to make college easier.
There you go. And that is CryptoGene, which is coming later this year, powered by DoubleHELIX, which will be our answer to Web3 experiences and is built on none other than Substrate. If anybody has any more questions, they can go to sortium.com or cryptogene.com, or we're here in the New York event. We have some people at the Berlin event. Track us down, ask us questions, and we'll be happy to answer. All right, thank you, everybody. And again, if you want to check out the trailer again, I posted the YouTube link in the chat.